All right, everybody, let's take a look at silver today. My name is Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is April the 16th, 2025. And my buddy Murray reached out to me, asked me about silver. Is it a time to buy silver as gold has gone vertical, as he described it? Well, I want to show you a couple charts here first. And the first one here is the gold futures chart. And you can see here, we've had quite a dramatic move from back in October 22, the price has gone up. Well, I'll show you here. It's gone up 100%. It's doubled in price. And right now it's trading at $33.54 US dollars per ounce. And on the contract, and that's right at a key Fibonacci level, 2.618 Fibonacci level. And it's something to be aware of and to be, exercise some caution here. This would be a good place for technical traders and algos to take some profits right at this level. The chart is quite extended, and often these things don't go up in a parabolic move forever. And this could be a good opportunity to take some profits and, get back in on a pullback or above this level. See what happens. Let's take a look at some other charts. Murray talked about silver. Let's take a look at the silver chart. So the silver chart has really hasn't performed quite like gold has. You can see it's had a nice little run up here from, back in September. It's almost doubled in price, which is, I'd say that's pretty significant. It's got some room to go, I believe. I believe it can go up to this other fib level up at $38, which is trading at 32, just under 33 right now. So it's probably got some room to move. Now, I guess I'd be interested in above 33.40. And we're above these 50-week moving average, which I think is it's a positive sign, right? So that trend remains intact. I'm going to show you another chart though, comparing the two. This is gold versus silver. So this is how many ounces of silver it takes to buy an ounce of gold. And you can see that, really since March of this spring, gold has really outperformed silver. And we had this straight up, 4 weeks ago here, at the straight up vertical move in this ratio where gold really started to outperform silver. It slowed down the last couple weeks here. And I'm going to show you something here from a technical perspective. This is the Fibonacci retracement from the March 20 high in the ratio to the February 21 low. And you can see we're trading at this, I call the golden zone, between the 61.8 and 65% Fibonacci retracement. And often what that does, it brings in some sellers. And there's probably people looking at the relative performance of gold versus silver. And this suggests to us technical traders that this could be a good opportunity to, it could be a pivot point in this ratio, and maybe we come back down and test this, get back down to 94, 95. It's trading at 101 right now. It doesn't have to stop here, but this is an area of interest where we anticipate a pivot and maybe a pullback. So if that's the case, if this is a technical level for the gold-silver ratio to pull back, if we look at gold and see how gold is at this key Fibonacci level, then perhaps silver, after the pullback, has some room to go here and get up to $38. Maybe silver starts to outperform gold in the near future. My name is Trent Klarenbach, sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.